afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. There's one more mod that I had done on my Tundra here recently, and we'll show you what it is, of course, after it's done, but we're going to give you a view of the before right now. And I'm sure many of you who watch the channel will be able to guess what I did, but this is the front end before. Get a good look at it here. The front end before. And we'll show you the after once I get it back from the dealer. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll show you what it is. Okay, we are back from the dealer. I had the front bumper caps replaced. Here are the old ones. Look how massive these things are. And that's my hand. Two of them, of course. They are metal. Some people have asked if they're metal. They are. They are chromed metal. What's on there now? Let's take a look. A little bit dirty from the weather, unfortunately. But this is the new front end of my truck. I think I'll back it outside for you real quick, let you take a look at what it looks like in better lighting. But there's a quick first look from inside. They look awesome. I mean, they look like they came with the truck, and it really does make a big difference on the front of the truck. So I'm gonna back it out for you guys. I'll set you over here somewhere. We'll back it out and let you see it. That's what happens when you don't have enough clearance under your truck. There's what it looks like outside in actual daylight. I think it looks awesome myself. There's a good look at it. Take a little look from the side here. It's a good look from the side of the truck, how it matches the rest of the truck. Great job to Buyers Toyota, by the way. They did a fantastic job on the install. Wow. Anyway, that's my new look for now. Let me know what you think. We'll do another video on the cost and all that stuff later, but leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't before, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.